Jai Hind Vande Mataram. This is Kunal Mehta from Make Me Scientific, and in this video we are going to understand how to measure the speed of sound in air using a PhyPhox application. So if you are a physics teacher and or an interested student, if you are watching this video, if you are unaware about what is a PhyPhox application, please check out the link in the description, download it. It will be very helpful to all of you. So what we are going to do is we will install this app in our phone, and then we will open up this application and we will go to acoustic stopwatch. Now you will have to set up the threshold as per the background noise around you. Usually you can keep the threshold as 0.3 or 0.5 and go ahead. Here two students with two phones are sitting at a distance of 5 meters, which is measured with the help of the measuring tape. When student 1 claps, stopwatch number 1 starts, and after some time delay, the sound waves reaches stopwatch number 2 and also starts stopwatch number 2. After a gap of about 2 seconds, the second student claps, which turns off stopwatch number 2, and after the same time delay, the sound reaches stopwatch number 1 and turns it off. The time difference between both the stopwatches is recorded, and that is the same time in which the sound waves travel double the distance of 5 meters. The sound speed calculated using this method almost matches with the true reading. Thank you very much for watching the video and have a great day ahead.